Alright, hey guys, I wanted to do this quick unboxing video for my boy Brandon, who just started his own company with selling honey, which is one of my favorite products because honey is something that has healing properties. It does really good things for the body, and I'm all about healing and building. So I want to be supportive of my brother out there in California. And this video is the unboxing of the honey that just came in the mail today. So you might hear a little buzzing in the background. That's my miner. It is mining Dogecoin and Litecoin. Let me see if I can turn this camera real quick so you can see this thing making all the noise there. So that's it right there. It is constantly running 24/7 and sending money right to my KuCoin account. So, I tolerate the noise, and it puts out a lot of heat as well, which you can't tell. But yeah, I got my spoon here, got my opener. I'm going to unbox this right in front of y'all real quick. First time. This guy's gonna be big. I love ground floor opportunities. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look how it's packed. Everything is nice and stable. It's got bubble wrap here. This was shipped all the way from California to Atlanta, Georgia. So here we go. The label. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Let me get that zoom in there. Okay. Fresh honey. What I understand, the type of flower that the honey comes from gives it its unique properties. Alright, so I'm going to open up this jar. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. It's just spilling out. Got my spoon here. Let's try this out. That's delicious. This is the real deal. Anybody that's familiar with Brandon needs to get some of this honey. Keep it on deck. Honey doesn't spoil. You don't have to refrigerate it. It kills viruses. It kills bacteria. You can use it topically. You can use it internally. Look it up. Do your research. Do your own research. But honey is the wonder food of the universe. Thank you, Brandon. And he accepts crypto. So, hey, if you're out here making money with crypto, get yourself some of this honey right here. Might as well.